Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this short video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue scanner is not working. So first of all, you need to open the services and run them as admin, and basically we need to restart two services here. Press anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard. Look for the service Windows Image Acquisition and just restart it. Also make sure is starter type in automatic, and the second number services scanner print spooler. Press P on our keyboard and also automatic. Apply, start it. Okay, and once time restart the service. Now restart your Windows and you are good to go. Your issue will be fixed. So I hope this quick really helpful for you, this video. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.